Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download shaders for Minecraft Bedrock without RTX for mobile and PC. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, go ahead and open up any web browser. It could be on your phone or your computer. And then just go out and find any shaders, okay? For Minecraft, especially Bedrock, just like so. Now hit on enter. Now you can go ahead and download it from whatever website you want. So for example, we have here for CurseForge and maybe from MCPE or MCPE Central. Hit on enter. You'll have that in here. Okay, just click on shaders. Now the only thing that you need to note here is that when you go ahead and download a shader, make sure that it says Vibrant Visuals, not RTX. Okay, so let's just go and find RTX right here. Okay, so far in the list we don't have any RTX. So for example, we have here top 3 vibrant visual shaders for Minecraft Bedrock. So just click on it, scroll down. For example, we have here this one. It's pretty cool. So just go ahead and click on the download link, wait for it, skip to downloads right here, show all downloads, and just download it from here. Okay, depending on the website, there'll be some ads, so just follow simple prompts, okay? Just like this one right here. We'll have a download button in a moment. So just wait for it. Now click on Get Downloads. And then I'm just going to download the latest version 1.1 right here. Save it wherever you want. Here we have it. Just click on it to install it. And here we have Minecraft opened. So just click on settings. So it says here successfully imported the shader. So just go ahead over to global resources. I'm just going to maximize this one. Here we have my packs. Click on Luca I. Okay, this is the one that we have downloaded. Activate. And then after that, make sure, by the way, go back to settings and click on video. And here, make sure that you use vibrant visuals, okay, not ray traced. And then once that's done, it should be good to go. So go ahead and open up a new world or open up a world that you already have and just click on it. And there you have it. That's how simple it is to download shaders for Minecraft Bedrock without RTX. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.